Namaskar to everyone. My name is Diya Pandey. Today I am from class 4th from Mount Litera Zee School. Today I am going to make a paneer sandwich. For the recipe, I have some grated paneer. Now there's some chopped vegetables like capsicum, onion and carrot, and some spices like salt, some black pepper and some chili flakes. Now take a bowl and mix it. Now give it a good mix. Now the stuffing is ready. Take 2 bread slices. Spread the stuffing on it. Now take another slice of bread and put it on the top of it. Now put it in the sandwich maker and wait for 5 minutes. Now our sandwich is ready. Now take ketchup or any type of sauce of your choice. Thank you.